So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer iPhone notes to your PC. Now in order to transfer notes from your iPhone to your PC, the most efficient way would be to sync them to iCloud and copy them from your browser there. Another way would be to use email for a few notes or try some third-party transfer tool for bulk exporting. So if you want to enable syncing, you can go to settings. Once you've opened settings, you can then go to your iCloud, show all uninsured notes is toggled on. Then you can open up your iCloud account and iCloud app on your PC. Once that's done, you can then also log into your iCloud and you can access your notes through there. So that's one way to do it. If you don't want to do it like that, if you want to do it through your email, you can open up your notes on your iPhone and select that specific note. So let's say we want that sync with PC. You want to use that. You can tap the share icon, which is going to be at the very top, and choose mail or email. Enter your own email address and then send it. You can then log in on a certain PC. So you can see here the mail app. Just choose that and then send it from your own email. Log into your email on a certain PC, and then you can just import that specific note that you sent, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's going to be received on your device. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.